Well, here's what I've been waiting for, and you guys are going to love this. Love it. Well, this is an awesome motor, ain't it, Rich?
Aye.
You enjoyed this one today, ain't you? You can see that there's some work got into this.
Something different, ain't it?
It is, it's lovely, isn't it? Mm. How are you on this fine Monday morning?
I want to talk about it.
There's a distinct lack of builders have turned up today.
That's actually a good point, actually. I was just thinking that exact same thing myself.
I think you need to drop them a little bomb.
Oh, I think I did. I think I already did drop him a message, but I was just going to check to see if he replied.
I'd like to fire that message up him if that's great.
No, I have fired that message up him, but I've not received a reply.
Oh, okay. Well, let's get on with what we're amazing at and then come back to that shortly after.
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay, mate, here we go.
Continue at the same rate, you know, up to the top. Not that there's anything wrong with that, you know, at all. It's just, you know, if you were doing that next stage, you had inlet manifold and say a 3-inch exhaust and things like that, it might just sort of carry on at a plane going up to around the 240 mark.
Well, that's the next thing, you know. It's like, do you need new?
Right, I found the glasses, so now we can do this bit of the
video.
video.
Excellent.
Yeah,
well, when you were looking for your glasses, you didn't find the guys to build the oven as well, did you?
No, I didn't.
No, we're not there. No, okay.
I'm not very happy about that.
So, I obviously sent them a message and I didn't get a reply. I just wondered if they're in your glasses case.
No, maybe they haven't got you a reply because I'm working so hard on our unit and we haven't been over there and had a look yet.
Oh, we'll go and have a look in a minute then. And we'll
okay,
see if
we'll check. We'll check. I've been waiting for this car for a little while. I've known it's been booked in the diary and I've had a little willy fizz on for a little while. Looking forward to it. I wasn't actually aware that, I don't think I knew it was a Mark II Golf.
Oh, were you thinking it might have been a Mark IV Golf?
I thought it was a Mark IV. So
yeah, I think you mentioned Mark IV Golf to me this morning.
So I had a right trouble when I seen this morning.
Yeah, lovely car. You know, you just don't see many of these anymore. Like where these are all the retro cars from our era, aren't they? And you don't see many in the.
It's a lovely car. You don't actually see these in stock form.
No, you don't. No. I mean, even a lot of the old Fords that we used to have in the Renaults and stuff that me and you used to have and stuff, you just don't see them anymore. They're gone, aren't they?
Yeah.
You know, you can find a good one, but you pay your premium, or you get
seems to be a restorable project, and even again, it seems to demand a premium. So
Yeah.
it's you know, it's nice to see an old girl, that's for sure.
It is, but but something special in it.
Something special. I mean, I'm all for any car, and I love it. And we always say this, you know, credit to anyone that has taken their time to put some work in and do this level of work. So lovely, put a K20 in there. He says he, you know, got the original engine, would have spent thousands making some power, wouldn't have made this sort of power. Decided that he was going to put a K20 in, and rightly so, in my opinion.
Scream its tits off.
Yeah, scream it, you know, 8,600 RPM, 230 brake horsepower. You know, it sort of sticks to the original roots of the car, in my opinion, with a 2 litre and you know, with 16 valve and all that sort of stuff.
Just a much better one.
Just a better one, yeah.
Yeah.
A better free flowing, and just make a better driving car. I think for when you're doing it on a budget, or you're setting yourself a budget, I think it's good power for the money.
Well, what an amazing way to start a Monday morning with, mate. It's cheered me up no end, I'll be honest with you. And yeah, it looks lovely, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for sticking around to this point with me, and we're going to go and look at the graph.
Shall we have a look at the graph?
Come on then, let's have a look at the graph. Well, I've asked Richard to explain through the hole. Where are you?
I'm up here. I was looking down at your screen.
All right, okay. Well, let's have a... So, Richard, red line is as we begin and blue line is as we leave. So, this red line's a little bit short, Richard.
It is indeed. It was only on a base file, basically, for the car, and once it clicked over onto VTEC, it went very lean, so I let out of it. So, we didn't actually get a full initial pull, but we were mapping the car anyway at that point, so we just went straight into mapping mode, and that's the result.
Yeah, well, the graph looks great, and we finish on 200 and I'm calling that 227 brake, 196 at the wheels. Yeah, fantastic. Really happy with that. Here he is. Have you had a nice day so far?
Brilliant, yeah.
Fantastic.
Thanks.
Well, a credit to you, my friend. It's a beautiful car. I hope everybody watching at home has enjoyed it. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Indeed.
We will indeed.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.